Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do iCloud backup. So you can do manually, but if you want to do via Wi-Fi connectivity, you need to charge your phone. First of all, you can check in settings, go to settings, and there you go to iCloud. Here iCloud, tap on iCloud, then scroll down to iCloud backup. Here iCloud backup, tap on iCloud backup. So as you can see, the last successful backup was yesterday. So I deleted and you need to empty your bin, your photo and video bin to fast upload. So I emptied my bin before. I will show you here. You need to go to photos, scroll down, recently deleted, 0, need to be 0. Your recently deleted, your bin should be 0. So you go back, the Wi-Fi needs to be on. Wi-Fi is on, as you can see. So now we will charge the phone for at least 20 minutes or half an hour, and then it will be backed up. Now I will charge the phone. And leave it for at least 20 minutes, half an hour to do iCloud backup by itself. And your Wi-Fi needs to be on. Now after charging the phone for about half an hour, 30 minutes, now is 8:39. I will check backup settings and then iCloud. Go to iCloud here, scroll down, iCloud backup, and now as you can see, 8:15, last successful backup, and now is 8:39. The iPhone is successfully backed up via charging with Wi-Fi is on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.